Hello, my name is Sophia, and today I'm going to tell you the whole truth about METANAIL complex. Stay tuned until the end of this video because I have a very important alert to share regarding METANAIL. Please pay close attention to what I'm about to tell you. The METANAIL is achieving great success in the market and has caught the attention of many people. On its official website, you can find testimonials from customers who have achieved incredible results with METANAIL. All over the internet and social media, people are talking about METANAIL and its benefits. And the truth is, METANAIL really works. After extensive research, scientists have discovered that it has a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that help boost the body's detoxification processes. By using natural ingredients, it helps permanently eliminate toenail fungus, making your nails and feet look clearer and healthier. According to the METANAIL designer, dry cuticles are to blame for brittle and cracked nails. The solution strengthens the nail cuticles, which are the main culprits for weak nails, and promotes hydration. The formula contains a variety of polyphenol, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory ingredients that stimulate cell renewal and improve nail health. Antioxidants help increase nail growth and prevent infections by eliminating free radicals and toxins that damage the nails. In addition, METANAIL improves blood circulation. Healthy blood flow promotes healing, nourishes the nails, and prevents infections. Trichophyton rubrum is a powerful fungus and the main cause of toenail fungus. MetaNail Serum Pro selectively targets and helps strengthen brittle nails and eliminate toenail fungus. Infected and damaged nails are responsible for reduced blood flow to the feet and nails. The formula improves blood flow and enhances the absorption of vitamins and oxygen. So yes, you can trust this product. And even better, you can also achieve great results by taking the treatment seriously and using METANAIL every day. But here's the big warning. Be very careful about the website where you purchase METANAIL because it's only sold on its official website. Remember, the original product that will truly give you results is only available on the official website. To assist you, I've provided the link to the official website below in the description box of this video. After watching this video, click the link below to draw your own conclusions. But before that, I want to give you one last warning. You need to know that everyone responds differently to the treatment. I mention this so that you start the treatment on the right foot, with focus and determination. By using the original product, follow the recommended treatment daily and apply a few drops of METANAIL Serum Pro to your skin and nails. If possible, start with the kit containing 3 bottles of METANAIL, as this is recommended for a full treatment. And one point that truly excited me was the fact that if the product doesn't work, the manufacturer offers a 100% refund. Yes, you get a full refund. It's important to reiterate that you need to use METANAIL every day, and if you follow the treatment seriously, you can see initial results as early as the first month. And to wrap it up, METANAIL has no side effects because it's 100% natural. So that's it. And remember, you can only purchase the original product on the official website that I provided below in the description box of this video. Now, do your part, follow the treatment correctly, and take it seriously. Keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else's because everyone's body reacts differently. I truly hope this video has helped you. Come back here in the comments later and share your results with us. It was a pleasure to assist you. Don't forget to click the link below to access the official website of METANAIL Complex.